Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answer. So our today's question is, which one of the following action is most likely to result in higher production cost per branded pair to at one of your company's production facilities, if an increasing total employee compensation by 3% at a production facility and in turn releasing a 5% increase in production facility and in turn releasing a 5% increase in production worker productivity, vision increasing spending for best practice training from $2,000 per worker to $2,500 per worker, CFN increase expenditures for TQM 6 sigma quality control from $1.50 to $2.00 per pair in year 12. Deviation increasing the SQ rating of brand pairs protected from 4.5 stars to 5.5 stars. Deviation the installation of production improvement, option B. The correct answer of the question is deviation increasing the SQ rating of brand pairs protected from 4.5 star to 5.5 stars. So that the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.